The night sky is no longer dark. Above the horizon, something burns. Not white like the sun, but deep red. A second star has appeared in the sky. Smaller, colder, but unmistakably alive. There are no true nights anymore, only twilight. Because Jupiter has ignited. It begins without warning. Astronomers notice something wrong with Jupiter's core. Its mass has increased, subtly at first, then rapidly. Hydrogen pressure rises, temperatures spike. Then it happens. Nuclear fusion begins. Jupiter crosses the line it was never meant to cross. The gas giant becomes a brown dwarf star, a failed sun, but a sun nonetheless. Within days, the night sky brightens. Jupiter glows red-orange, casting shadows across Earth. Children stare upward in fear, animals panic, religions fracture overnight. Humanity realizes the truth. The solar system has changed forever. Jupiter has always been close, but not close enough. To ignite fusion, it would need 80 times its current mass. Somehow, impossibly, it gained it. Perhaps a rogue gas cloud, perhaps dark matter collapse, perhaps something we don't yet understand. But physics does not care how, only that it happened. And once fusion starts, it cannot be stopped. Jupiter is no longer just a planet. It is a gravitational engine. The first consequence is not light, it is gravity. Jupiter already dominates the solar system. Now its mass has increased dramatically. Orbits destabilize. Asteroids are pulled from the belt and hurled inward. Comets are redirected toward the inner planets. Mars drifts. Earth wobbles. Every few months, massive impacts strike the moon and outer planets. The night sky flashes with fire. Earth enters a new era, a constant cosmic bombardment. Humanity builds planetary defense systems, not as precaution, but as survival. Jupiter's light is dim compared to the sun, but it never sets. Earth now has 2 light sources. There is no true darkness, only endless dusk. Stars fade, constellations vanish. The Milky Way becomes invisible to the naked eye. For life on Earth, this is catastrophic. Nocturnal animals lose their advantage. Predators can no longer hunt unseen. Prey can no longer hide. Species that evolved over millions of years for darkness collapse within decades. Owls, bats, insects. Entire ecosystems disappear. Then comes the slow burn. Jupiter's added radiation warms Earth continuously. Not enough to boil oceans, but enough to erase winter. Ice caps melt permanently. Glaciers vanish. Sea levels rise year after year. There are no seasons anymore, no cycles of rest and renewal. Agriculture collapses. Crops adapted to seasonal growth fail. Soil dries. Weather patterns destabilize. The planet becomes hotter, wetter, and more violent. Storms grow stronger. Heat waves never end. Earth is no longer balanced. Jupiter's fusion is imperfect. As a brown dwarf, it releases intense radiation, especially in infrared and high-energy bands. Earth's magnetosphere is strained. Auroras become constant, beautiful, but deadly. Radiation sickness rises. Cancer rates spike. DNA damage increases across generations. The surface becomes unsafe. Cities retreat into the earth. Underground megastructures are built beneath mountains. Entire populations move below ground. The surface becomes a hostile zone, used only for resource extraction and maintenance. Children grow up without ever seeing a true night sky. Stars become myths. Darkness becomes a story. Human culture shifts. Time is no longer measured by days and nights, but by artificial cycles. Over centuries, the damage compounds. Radiation weakens ecosystems. Oceans acidify. food chains simplify and collapse. Earth becomes a marginally habitable world, clinging to life by technology alone. Eventually, a decision must be made: adapt forever or leave. Massive generation ships are constructed. Humanity prepares to abandon its birthplace. We gained a second star. We lost our seasons, our nights, our world. And that leaves one final question. If the heavens can change so easily, how temporary has Earth always been?